Building letters is a snap with the letter construction activity set. Snap together color-coded pieces to build upper and lowercase letters, plus fine motor skills too. Children can separate the pieces into matching piles and then start constructing the alphabet piece by piece. With 60 pieces in all, including straight lines, curves, C-curves, hooks, and dots, children can build accurate upper and lowercase letters in just a few steps. 13 double-sided activity cards with step-by-step directions guide children in piece-by-piece letter construction. An activity guide also offers options for the different ways children can explore letters. Practice letter recognition and build a sturdy foundation for pre-writing with the Letter Construction Activity Set by Learning Resources for ages 3+.